Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a very big box next to me. I got a brand new sewing machine. I got the Pfaff Creative Icon. It is a behemoth. I am so excited that I'm making an unboxing video so we can look at what's inside and yeah, get sewing on it. So yeah, I'm not going to do much explaining. We're just going to get into it because I've had this machine for about 45 minutes and I haven't opened it yet because I've been trying to get ready for this video and I really want to get inside. So let's go. Okay, so I had to put it on the floor because it's so big that I couldn't actually get the thing on top, but here we go. So when you open the box, the first thing you get, I think, is a dust cover for the box. And it's really cool because it's been embroidered probably by the very same machine. So that's that. Let's put that to the side. Ooh, okay, so this is a certificate of authenticity to say this is what it is. We've got two, okay. So we've got a user's guide, and then we've got the embroidery collection, which I'll have a look at later. So I'm gonna have to read these two later. What else have we got here? We've got power cable. I think that, oh look, it's a EU power cable for a different country. Good, so looks like I'll be able to travel with it. No. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is the knee pedal. So this will kind of hang out and you can use your knee to lift the presser foot, I think. And then we've got a big bag of all the accessories. It looks like there's a buttonhole foot in there, all the different feet and stuff, and a plate for the bottom. And it comes in this handy little zip bag. And then we've got this. Oh wow, that's huge. Okay, so this is the foot. This is the pedal. As you can see, the pedal is really, really big. All my pedals for my other ones are like half the size. So this is quite big. So if you've got big feet, perfect. Okay, let's take this top layer off. Ooh, look at it. Wow, it is so big. It doesn't look that big, but it's so long. In comparison, let me get my other machine. This is my old machine, and look how much bigger it is. Wow. All right, so it's pretty big, so let's lift it up and put it up on the table. So I just realized that even though I'm super excited, I am actually missing a box which has the embroidery unit and all of the hoops in. So for this first part of the video today, I'm just going to show you what you get with this, and we're going to turn it on for the first time. And then tomorrow when I get the other box with the embroidery unit, we can attach that and see what that does. So what I thought was going to be a fairly quick video is actually going to be a lot longer. So I'm a little bit scared to turn it on, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to have a quick read through the manual so I know, like, because I know you have to take this off and there's a few bits in it. We can get that sorted, and then we can turn it on and have a look at its features because I'm super excited. Alright, so I'm gonna get all these bits together and we can start using it. So I've plugged it in, I've got the cable here, and I've got the foot plate, but there's no cable. The cable is retractable. That is amazing. I'm being blown away by a retractable cable in a pedal because none of my things have that. Oh my gosh, this is great. I wonder how long it is. Ooh. It's pretty long as well. Nice, okay. Okay, that So I've been reading the manual and we're gonna have a go at threading it. Okay, and then we press this button here. Oh my god, that was amazing. Oh my gosh, so easy. That was so easy. You basically, all right, let me show you close up so that you can see. All right, okay, so we're gonna thread the machine. I tried it once, it looks super easy. We're gonna try it again. So it says hook the thread under this hook here, have it go across this bit here, and then cut it off with the automatic thread cutter, which is just over here, and then press the button. And that's it. That is it. 1, 2, 3. That was done in less than 5 seconds. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's been a few hours. I've been looking at stuff. I've only really stitched one thing, mostly because I'm still trying to figure out how to use this thing. But I just wanted to show you all of the mad stitches there are. There are so many. So this is in sewing mode, and you've got like loads of information here, which is really good. If you're going to sew something specific and you want a different needle or stitch, it will tell you what foot you need, what whether you should have the feed dog up or down, the speed that you're doing, and all the other things. It's actually really, really cool. I am so excited to use this, guys. It's going to be amazing. So it's actually been more than a few days since I started filming this unboxing, but I have got the embroidery unit, which is humongous, but I will put it together so you can see what it looks like, and then you'll know if you do get one of these what you get in packs. So you've got this machine, which is on right now, and then this is the embroidery unit that comes with it. It comes with 3 different size hoops. We've got like one, I don't actually remember the name of the sizes, but they're like 1 supreme, 1 medium, small, large, and I think there are like 8 other different hoops that you can get. So depending on the size of your project or what kind of project, you can buy a hoop for it. So let's put this together, and then I'll talk you through it. So as you can see, I've put the unit on, and it's actually really easy to get on. You just slide this bit off the front and this bit slides on, and then at the back here there's like a little lever that you pull and take it off. So that is what it looks like on. It makes it super long. Like, look how long that is. And then in here in the box, you'll see that it comes with 1, 2, 3 hoops. That's the giant hoop, medium hoop, and the small hoop. So we're going to use the small hoop now, and I will show you how it does embroideries, because it's pretty cool, and I've only used it once before, so we can have a go and see if I actually remember how to do this. Okay, so here I have the hoop, which I have opened up. When you're doing embroidery, you normally have to have some sort of stabilizer. I've been doing a bit of research. There's so many different kinds, but this one is a tear away. So what will happen is this will be at the back, and when I'm finished, I can tear it away and we'll have the thing. So what you want to do is put your stabilizer down first, and then your fabric. So that's going to be facing upwards. And then there's like a guide of which way to put the hoop in, but then you want to kind of slot your hoop in. Alright, so there we go. Pretty tight, and now we're going to put it on the machine. Okay, so there is like a bunch of other steps that you need to do, like changing the foot and the needle, making sure to calibrate the arm, but because this isn't really a comprehensive thing, like I've just got this, I'm just going to show you basically what an embroidery looks like and what it looks like when it's doing an embroidery, because it's pretty cool. See, there's a start stop button right here, so once you've chosen your design, you can just press go and it just starts. So we're going to choose a design. Now, depending on the size of your hoop, it will give the dimensions, and the first thing you would do is choose your hoop size. So I've already choose this hoop size here, so we can just go back. There's this subscription service called My Sewnet where you can buy new designs and stuff like that. You can also apparently get designs and stuff like that off Etsy and just upload it onto here. So I'm just going to choose one of the, I think there's like 800 different things that we can have a look at here. As you can see, I can just go through all these different things. So let's choose this flower, yeah. So now that I've chosen a flower, this is the size of my hoop. And what I can do is just bring it where I want it to be. There are probably buttons where you can, as you can see, you can edit here. So I can have it so it centers itself. I can make it larger if I want to. I can make it smaller, but I think we'll just stick with that. It's really, really simple. So now that I've chosen what I want, the thing has moved to where the hoop is meant to be. Okay, so now I can slide the hoop on like that until it clicks in, and make sure everything else is fine. And I think we're good to go. So now, and if you look over here, this arrow shows you where it's gonna start, and that's exactly where it's positioned itself on there. And then all that's left to do now is press go. So it's done, and it looks pretty good, but let's take it out of the thing. Now I can just pull that bit off, so it's all stabilized at the back. But at the front, this actually looks pretty good. Like, look at that. So yeah, that's what it looks like when it's done. I pulled off the stabilizer some. There's still a little bit of the stabilizer inside, but if I was doing this for a project, or if I wanted to put like words on a jumper or something, then that's what I do. And as you can see, it looks really, really good. But yeah, that's just like one of like 800 different things. There is a USB on the side, so if you want to design one yourself, but I know that you can design and then bring it onto here. You can also buy some off Etsy or other places, or you can go onto like MySewNet and see what's on there and buy those designs. So it really is the sky's the limit if you're able to make them yourself. And that's the whole machine. So yeah, like it sews, it does all of that. It's got basically 1 billion trillion stitches. I will show you what I've made when I do a roundup at the end of January. But yeah, I think me and the machine are gonna have a lot of fun together. There's also a really good function that has like the big guide and all the stitches and how to do things, including like sewing darts and just sewing tips and techniques on the actual machine. So if I forget how to do a lap to zipper or how to put in an invisible zipper, I can actually go to the instructions and it will tell me how to do it, which feet I need to use, what stitches I should use, and it will load it up for me so I can just follow it step by step. So it really is a machine that can do almost everything, and I'm really happy that I now have one. So I will be doing all my future tutorials, all my future makes, everything else is going to be on this machine until probably the day I die. So this was my unboxing, slightly chaotic, a little bit mismatched, and took me about a week or two to do, but yeah, really happy with my new machine, and just stay tuned for future videos with this in the background, because this is forever going to be in the background. It's too big to put away. But that's it. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. If you enjoyed, then hit that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, have any of you got this machine? It's pretty pricey, so like, would you invest in a machine like this? And if you haven't already, then subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I've got new videos with my new machine in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year!